daylight time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Okanogan County in north central Washington until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Be especially cautious in the Walker Creek-Burton Scar area. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lost Lake Campground, Bonaparte Lake Campground, Chesaw, Sitsmark Hill, Wakonda, Havila, and Molson. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanogan, Washington.
We interrupt this program because of an emergency. Important information will follow.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shoshone County in the panhandle of Idaho until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 25 miles south of Wallace, moving southwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarkia, Turner Flat Campground, Avery, and Tinkin Campground.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.